Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do this finger coil updo. If you want to see how I even do the coils, I do have that video up on my channel. Now, this is old coils from like 4 or 5 days old now, and I'm going to be using Curl's Aloe and Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer to like dampen and refresh the front part of my hair. So I'm going to be spraying a couple pumps of this in the front, and then I'm going to use a soft bristle brush. It has 2 sides, one side smoother than the other, and I'm just going to use this to smooth down any frizz and flyaways. Then I'm going to take little sections of hair out from the ponytail, like I'm pulling them out, and I got one like in front of my ear and then one above that one. I'm actually going to be pulling out 3 sections on each side of my head, but it's your preference how or where you want to place the curls in the front. So now I'm going to use a Curl's moisturizer, and I'm going to spray that in the back of my head to smooth that down. You could also pull some sections of hair here if you want coils in the back, but I chose not to. Okay, so using a scrunchie, I'm bringing my hair up into a ponytail, and I'm going to secure my hair nice and tight. Then to style the dull looking curls in the front, I'm going back with the curl moisturizer and putting enough product on there so it has a good amount of slip, and then I'm going to detangle it and smooth it down so that I can curl it and like twirl it around my finger all the way down to the end. I'm going to continue those steps on all those little pieces of hair that I had pulled out so that I can have nice looking coils, like curls in the front. If you see a coil that didn't come out so nice, what I would recommend is just to redo it. So I would spray some more of the curl moisturizer and then recoil it around my finger. Alright, so now for the head wrap. So ladies, I found this at like either my Ross or Bell's outlet, and it's actually not a head wrap. It's actually like some type of like a shoulder scarf or something like that, but I'm not going to be using it for that. This is what I'm going to be using for my head wrap. So what I did is I kind of folded it up and rolled it up so that I can place it on my head. And I'm going to align like the back of my head to the middle of the scarf, and then I'm going to bring those 2 ends of the scarves to the front of my hair, and I'm going to do 1 tie. After I tie the front, I bring those 2 sections to the back, and then I try to like align it, make sure that everything's like in place, and then I'm going to do 1 tie in the back, and then with what's left I'm going to bring it back to the front, and I'm going to like tie it into a nice little bow. Now to have the updo looking nice and voluminous with volume, the trick is to use like one of those big butterfly clips. I found this at the dollar store, and I think it came with like 2. And so I'm just gonna clip this at the very like, I guess, top of my ponytail or where the scrunchie is. And then that's gonna like raise it up so that my coils are higher. Then I look at the sides of my scarf and I tuck in anything that's sticking out. Now I'm going back to the front, and I'm going to split the curls into like more curls, because I like how it looks when you make more curls. So it's up to you if you want to leave the curls how it was or if you want to make more curls. And then pretty much that's it. Like all you have to do is fluff up your hair and just get it to look the way you want, and that is it, you guys. I received so many requests on Instagram for this updo. So I hope you ladies really like it. If you do, please press thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, because I got so many more new videos to come. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns below and I will reply. Thank you so much, loves, for watching. Bye.